go.
All right, today I'm doing a demonstration of the Passi-Pipe Explorer kit. It's new from Kozlo Scientific Company, and it's a little bit like a combination of the old Passi Tester 2026 and components from the Passi Flash 3036, the nib system from the 3036. The kit is complete. The instructions are over here. It's an easy read. This is how it works. First step is to use some of this orange solution on the nibs. You could put 2 drops of solution on as many nibs as you like. All right, Gary, bring in the pipe, please. Thank you. Attach an alligator clip to the pipe that you wish to test. And this is the probe. This is the PPP probe. And what's special about the probe is the tip. The shape of the tip picks up the nib really well and holds it so it doesn't fall down inside your equipment. Okay. So while I run this on the inside of the pipe, I could look at the display. Anything in the range between a -400 and a -200 is considered a passive stainless steel. Anything outside that range would be considered non-passive. So as you could see from the shape, the angle, it's very easy to make contact with the inside. Now this is a 2-inch diameter pipe. It would work on smaller pipes and of course much easier on larger pipes. But this is the only tester that's effective for the inside diameter, okay? The test kit also comes with a piece of stainless steel 304, and you can try testing on that as well. Thank you for watching the video.